Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS. This is a 650 twin-cylinder cruiser, beautiful matte gray finish. This bike's equipped with a nice windscreen and a fantastic sounding Delkovich exhaust system. Only 337 miles on this amazing, beautiful Kawasaki Vulcan S. Come by, check it out, make your dreams come true on this gorgeous Kawasaki. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Awesome big sound. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.